Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share a light and delicious milk-based dessert with syrup recipe with you. If you want to be informed about my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's put 4 eggs into the mixing bowl. Add 1 teacup of sugar and 1 packet of vanilla. And whisk until frothy. Then add 1 teacup of semolina, 1 glass of flour, 2 fingers less than a full glass, and 1 packet of baking powder. And whisk just until the ingredients are combined. Pour it into a greased large rectangular glass baking dish. Smooth the top. In a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, with top and bottom heat setting. Let it bake for about half an hour. While our cake is baking, let's prepare our milk syrup at this stage. Pour 2 glasses of milk into a small pot. Add 1 teacup of sugar and put it on the stove. I used 2 glasses of milk, but it would be better if you add 3 glasses of milk. I will add it as 3 glasses in the description. Heat it by stirring until the sugar dissolves. No need to boil. Remove it from the stove as soon as the sugar dissolves. Let's take our cake out of the oven after performing a toothpick test. It baked in 25 minutes in my oven. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes for the initial heat to dissipate. Then, make holes on top with a toothpick so it can absorb the syrup better. Pour the lukewarm syrup over the warm cake, whose initial heat has dissipated. Let it sit until it absorbs the syrup and cools down completely. Pour 1 packet of liquid cream into the mixing bowl. Add 1 packet of powdered whipped cream to it. And whisk until it thickens. Spread our whipped cream mixture over the completely cooled cake. Spread it evenly on top. I sprinkled plenty of sliced hazelnuts and sliced almonds on top. If you wish, you can also sprinkle crushed hazelnuts, pistachios, or walnuts. Let's put our dessert in the refrigerator. Let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. I kept it in the refrigerator overnight. Clean your knife with a paper towel each time and cut it into slices. Our milk-based dessert with syrup is ready to serve. I hope you try it and like it too. Bon appétit to those who will try it. If you watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thanks for watching.